Welcome to Possum Lounge, and today we're going to learn the red-green song. You're going to want to take some duct tape, put it on the 3rd fret. I'm just kidding, use a capo, that's what it's for. Alright, so you're going to want to capo the 3rd fret, tune it while the capo's on so it'll sound a little better. We're going to have an A chord, and you're going to scoot that down to this D chord. It needs to be barred, unfortunately. Do it right here later, but during this first part, it's going to need to be barred. Go back here, this E chord right here. The only other chord is this minor chord. Those are the chords. I'm going to do an A chord. Your thumb, pluck the A string, and you're going to have your middle finger pluck the B string. And then you're going to pluck the 2 in between those strings. And you're going to want to get used to that because that happens pretty much the entire time. Between doing this, you're going to be flicking and you're going to be doing the rest of the melody. So the bass line, in case you couldn't tell, goes like this. And it's going to do that the entire time, so you can't get lost. You're going to do the first pluck, do the flick, and then the little pluck. Do another flick. And then this time, you're going to hammer on your pinky. And before you do the flick, do a G note. So it goes, so it gives it a little bounce. So this is what it sounds like so far. You do this thing. It's the little twiddly diddly thing. You're going to bar right here, and you're going to hammer on pull off with your pinky right there. So pluck the D string and the B string at the same time. Do the hammer on pull off, and then you're going to pluck the G string. Now do exactly what you just did right here, all the way down here. And so this is what it sounds like so far. Okay, and so that part, instead of doing the doodly-doo, you just pluck the D string with your thumb, just like the normal bass line, and you pull off your pinky, and then hit the G string. And now we're on the E. You pluck the E string and the B string at the same time. Do the flick, bass line, flick. And when you do this flick, you're gonna start walking up. And instead of doing a flick, maybe just pluck. You're gonna start your walk up with a pluck, no pluck, and then the 3rd one is a pluck. And then back to the beginning. Now, there's only one other part to the song. It's the outro. So it's going to be an A chord, and you're going to want to kind of do like a little chrut, because that's what it sounds like on the accordion. Right? So you're going to do a chrut and then a flick. And then this time you're going to go back with your pinky. So it goes... And by the time you get to this note, you're already on the E. Just kind of pluck an E and then flick. And this is a little tricky. You're going to hit the A string while still doing this E and the B string at the same time. And you're going to go like... while you hit this bass note. That's the hardest part of the song. The minor chord, and you're plucking the E and the B at the same time. And then hitting the bottom E, and then the usual bass note. So it goes, you can do the flick if you like. It goes, and then, so that you're basically keeping this chord, releasing the bottom E string. And then you're doing a D chord, D string and the B string. And then hit that G, so it goes. And then pluck the A and the D at the same time. And then open B and end it with an A. It's a little difficult at first, especially the ending, but just remember your bass line. Just remember there's some space in between those bass notes too. There's definitely going to be some stuff bouncing around in between there. And you'll get used to it, so good luck, good luck. Keep your stick on the ice.
Keep your stick on the ice. Keep your stick on the ice. Keep your stick on the ice. Keep your stick on the ice. Keep your stick on the ice. Keep your stick on the ice. Keep your stick on the ice. Keep your stick on the ice. Keep your stick on the ice.